Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. After allowing a discount of 11.11%, a trader still makes a gain of 14.28%. At how many percentage above the cost price does he mark on his goods? Okay. So let's say the cost price of the goods be 100 rupees. Okay. And the trader is marking X percent on this cost price as the MRP. Okay. So in this case, the MRP, or we'll say it M in short, will be 100 plus X. Okay. So because we have taken 100, we can directly add the X component. Okay. So now after allowing a discount of 11.11%, so this trader is allowing a discount of 11.11%. So what will be discount in this case? The discount will be 11.11 by 100 of MRP, right? Because discount is always applied on MRP. So this is discount. And by giving this discount, the trader is still making a gain of 14.28%. So that means if we say the selling price is cost price plus 14.28% of cost price, right? So this part is the profit. So when the trader is selling at this price, he is making a profit of this much. So this is the cost selling price. Okay. So we don't have the selling price directly, but here we have MRP and discount. So selling price can be written in terms of MRP and discount. We can write selling price is equals to MRP minus discount. Right. This is the selling price. So this was the MRP. This much discount was given, and at this price the goods were sold. Okay. So this is equals to cost price plus the same thing as per the previous equation. So now we have the value of everything we can put, and then we can easily get the value of X. Okay. So the problematic part was only to write till this. So if the concepts are clear, we can derive to this equation, and then we can put the values. So what is MRP? MRP is 100 plus X. Discount is 11.11 by 100 of MRP. So MRP is 100 plus X. Okay. And this is equals to cost price plus 14.28% of the cost price. Cost price we have assumed 100. So this is 100 cost price plus 14.28 by 100 into cost price is again 100. Okay. So this 100 will get cancelled, and this 100 and this 100 will also get cancelled. So now if we expand this, here we have X, and this X will get added. Okay. Sorry. So 100X minus 11.11X. So we will have 88.89X by 100. Okay. Minus 11.11. Okay. Equals to 14.28. Okay. So from here we can easily get the value of X. It will be 14.28 plus 11.11. So this will be 25.39, okay, into 100 by 88.89. So if you calculate this will be 28.56. So the value of X is 28.56. It can be absolute value as well as it can be a percentage, because the cost price we assumed is 100. Okay, so we can say this is 28.56%. This is the answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.